I uploaded a short with some marigolds, and in that description, I put down why I thought marigolds were kind of super plants when it comes to gardening. In case you missed the video or just don't feel like reading, I just kind of wanted to go over that list with you. I'm going to read down it, and yeah, hopefully you'll learn something. Marigolds, they help repel pests naturally. This natural repelling reduces the need or eliminates completely the need for chemical pesticides. This promotes a healthier ecosystem, and it means you don't have to go to chemical warfare with the bugs in your yard. Marigolds attract pollinators like bees, butterflies, but they also attract insects like hoverflies, ladybugs, and predatory wasps that feed on pests like aphids and caterpillars. The roots of the marigold plant will repel nematodes in the soil, plus the scent helps mask the scent of other plants around it. Some marigolds are edible. The Signet variety are edible, but that's not the variety I have in my garden. Marigolds are hardy and drought tolerant. They don't need high quality soil to grow well. You just really have to take the dead flowers, cut them off, and yeah, once you cut those off, you'll be promoting more energy to bloom more. So you'll get more blooms longer in your season. Plus, you can take those dead-headed marigolds and let them dry out. Once they dry out, you can harvest the seeds from inside of it and sprinkle them or save them, whatever you need them for. At the end of the growing season, their dying plant bodies, they'll enrich the soil with organic matter. These are annual plants, meaning you have to replant them every year, or at least I do. I'm in zone 8A. If you're in a zone 9A, B, 10, 11, or higher, you won't have to replant them every year. Cool things that they repel: cabbage maggots, Colorado potato beetles, corn earworms, cucumber beetles, flea beetles, squash bugs, mosquitoes, and, again, nematodes. If you plant them, plant late spring until fall. They need full sun, 6 to 8 hours direct sunlight. They can tolerate partial shade, but they don't bloom as full. Ran into this problem with my first lot of marigolds. I bought them from a nursery, planted them to the back of my garden wall, and the tomato plant, when it grew up, it gave it a little too much shade. So they never got huge. They're actually starting to kind of fall off, and I think I've lost at least 2 of them. But every time they bloomed and the blooms died, I deadhead it, and I took those seeds, I sprinkled them around my garden, because you don't have to bury marigold seeds. And all of them, not all of them, but a lot of them did bloom. A lot of them grew, and they've grown so big, they're bigger than the parent plants. But that's all I had in the description, really, so if you learned something, please let me know down in the comments. But if you also have something you want to add too, if there's something I forgot or missed, let me know.